bring you the good stuff. All right, today we're going to be doing some cotton candy. Yeah, I had this machine for about almost 20 years. All right, it was in storage. All right, but this is a nostalgia machine. All right, nostalgia cotton candy machine, and they even have their own sugars. Nostalgia cotton candy, sugar pink bubble gum. They got a cotton candy, sugar orange, and this is grape here. All right, so the first of making cotton candy, very simple. Turn the power on, and then there's a heater. Turn the heater on. All right, you want it to get hot. All right, so as soon as this gets hot, I'll be right back. We're gonna use the pink bubble gum. All right, you need to get these are the cones for the cotton candy. All right, but all you have to do is pour it into the center, and it shoots the cotton candy like spider web. It's really cool how it works. So here we go. Here we go. As you can see it, it's that easy. That's how easy it is. And you can just keep building and building and building. I found that you don't have to put a whole lot in. Wrap around. Really fun to do. Alright. And that's what it takes to make cotton candy. I mean, they come in different sizes. Small, medium, and large. I'm sure they have bigger ones than this one. This might be a medium one. So like I said, it's good for having when you're having parties and stuff like that with a lot of kids. You know, it works out. And I'm just going to wait till mostly all the sugar is spun out. You really can't see it, but it's just spinning the sugar out. As you can see, it's keep getting bigger and bigger. Right, there we go. Nicely done. It's still coming out. And it's also easy to clean also too. Very easy to clean. That same area where you poured the sugar in, you just pour water in there while it's on in the heater. Alright? And it'll just clean it. It will clean it. Alright? So, cotton candy. Cotton candy at its finest. Alright, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. And this meat machine is wonderful. Alright, just subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Alright, y'all guys have a wonderful day. God bless you.